Do you want a video's audio to keep playing after you leave Samsung Internet? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a background play feature that lets supported website continue playing audio even when you switch tab or leave the browser. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Internet. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner. Then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Useful Features. Tap Background Play. Here you will find three options. On to keep supported videos playing in the background even after you leave the current tab or switch to another app. Only on headphones or external speaker to allow background playback only when you are using headphone or an external audio device. And off, which is selected by default, it disables background playback. As the example, let's select on. With this setting, when you open a supported website and start playing a video, then leave the web page or switch to another app, the audio will continue playing in the background. Keep in mind that this feature depends on the website because some websites may not support background playback. And that's how you enable background play in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.